it's me, Allegra. Babes, I'm super excited today because I have been using these lash extensions that you do at home. They last and last. They actually cost me $13, so I am saving hundreds of dollars because previously I was having to go into the salon and get them done and it cost upwards of $100. But now I found these new lash extensions that you can do at home. I actually paid $13, yes, $13, and they last for days and days. So I couldn't wait to hop on today and do a DIY lash extensions tutorial so you too can do your own lash extensions at home, save hundreds of dollars, look cute AF, and save and just wake up looking more wide awake, more well rested, because those lash extensions really make a huge difference in how you look and how you feel. You feel more confident. I know I've been loving these extensions, so I'm going to show you today how I do them, how you can do them as well at home and save so much money. So without further ado, let's just dive right into this DIY lash extensions tutorial. The lash extensions that I have been using are from a company called LashView. I have tried a lot of different at-home lash extensions and they have never performed like these. These truly last. I've had these on for days and days. They actually, you know, they will stay, I can't even say how long. For me, it's been multiple days. It's been about 5 days and then I took them off. So it's up to you. They might have even lasted even longer. I'm going to share my tips and tricks on how I do get them to last because, you know, you do have to baby them a little bit. You know, you just have to use a little bit of a different eye cleansing or face cleansing method, but they will last for you. You won't believe it, and they're super easy to apply. So let me go ahead and show you. Now, LashView does have a lot of different lash kits to choose from, but today I'm going to use the Eyelash Crush, which is just a really super easy way to apply these lashes at home because you're getting everything in one package, and this cost me $13.99. They do have sales, so I've seen this go down to $8 and change. If you're like me, my lash artist was charging $150, so no one has time for that. So, and plus you can do them at home, you can do them easily and effortlessly. So you don't have to leave your house, you don't need to have an appointment, you can do them whenever is good for you, whatever fits into your schedule. So now it's super easy. Let me go ahead and show you. Now in the kit here comes, you're getting the lash applicator, you're getting a spoolie, you're getting the Bond glue, which is unbelievable. And you're also getting the melty cleanser. So this is something that you can use to take them off because this lash glue, the Bond lash glue, is very powerful. So, you know, you want to use the melty lash remover, the glue remover, and it's going to help to remove all of the lash glue from your eyes when you're done wearing them. But let's just jump right into this now. You are truly not going to believe how easy this is. And you know, you can do a more glam look, you can do a more natural look. It's all up to you. Today I'll probably do a more natural look, but you can definitely build these up and keep going and do the most. So here is everything in the kit. Now that I've unboxed it, you're getting also this applicator, and this is the Eye Bond lash glue. I'm going to just show you as we go along. But here are the lashes. They're individual lashes, so it looks very, very natural. And believe it or not, even though this lash system is very, you know, it is powerful because it lasts, but it doesn't irritate. It doesn't irritate my eyes, and I have very sensitive eyes, so it's really unique and very, very amazing because it's just amazing, especially for me, because I can't even wear a lot of regular lash glue. But LashView just has the most unique ingredients in their lash glue because it really does not irritate my eyes. So first things first, you want to take this product right here. One side is the Bond and then one side is the Lock. So we're going to start with the Bond product. And it's just like a traditional mascara, super easy. You just run it through your lashes. I like to focus this on the underneath part of my lashes because I am going to be applying these individual lashes from underneath. So I'm focusing the Bond product underneath, and I'll also put some on top as well, but you really just want to focus it on the underneath part of your eye. So now you just really quickly go ahead and take your lashes. So I'm going to take the applicator and I'm just going to go ahead and grab a pair like so. And these lashes are very durable, so they're very strong and they don't break and fall apart like other lashes. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply it from underneath. Now I like to apply it to the middle part of my eye like so, and there you go, beauties, it's done. These are on and they are not going to budge. It's really amazing. But I do like to apply from the middle portion of my eye outwards. So you can do whatever is best for you, whatever makes you feel more comfortable. But for my eye shape, that's a look that I prefer. So now I'm going to take another pair and I'm just going to put that adjacent to the one that we just laid down. But I'm going to focus it again now heading outwards towards the outer corner of my eye. So there you go. Look how easy that is, guys. And they're not going anywhere. So, and we're going to do another step too to really lock them into place. But let's keep it moving. So I'm going to take one more pair and put it on the outer corner of my eye so we get that kind of doe-eyed look. So this is the third pair right here. And I'm just putting it on the very outermost part of my eye, like so. So as you can see, super easy. Now I'm just going to take the applicator again and just kind of squeeze them into place and fluff them with my finger. Just get them just where I want them. Now I'm just kind of pressing very gently everything into place, and we're going to wait 10 minutes and then we're going to apply the lock product. So the lock product is located on the other side of this applicator. And so on one side is the bond that we just used, and then here is the lock. So you wait 10 minutes and then you go ahead and apply the lock. So again, we're just going to focus it on underneath, and I'll run some on the top as well. But that's where we're at. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. Super easy. It's literally taking me 10 minutes to do this one eye between applying the lashes and then waiting the 10 minutes for them to kind of dry down and then applying the lock. The whole thing takes like 10 minutes. That's how easy it is, and they truly last. And as you can see, the bond nor the lock product has irritated my eyes, because normally my eyes would be tearing up, watering from different, a lot of different things, because I have very sensitive eyes. So this has no scent to it. It's non-irritating, and it truly does last. These are going to last me now until I take them off. So if you wanted another option as well, you can always add some more lashes if you wanted to build them up and make them look even more dramatic. But I prefer this kind of look right here. I love this. I feel comfortable. They're weightless. You feel like you have nothing on your eyes. It's really, really unique. Their system is totally unique. So let's go ahead and do the other eye now. And again, I'm just going to repeat our previous steps, the steps that we used on this eye right here. So again, I'm going to take the bond product and run it underneath my eyes. So again, I'm going to start in the middle. And so that's our first lash down, and I'm going to go ahead and just lay some more on the outer corner of my eye. And then you do also get a spoolie in your lash kit. So I'm going to go ahead and take that spoolie and just kind of run it through the lashes very gently, just so I can have them positioned exactly where I want them. So loving that. And now we're going to go ahead and lock these into place. So again, we're going to take our lock product and run it through the lashes. So beauties, this is the finished look. They feel so good on. They're super easy to apply, and they're just so comfy. So I could not recommend these more. So beauties, it is actually 5 days later and these lashes are still on. I hope you can see them because I am wearing, as you can see, a more glam makeup look today. And so these lashes do look gorgeous with natural makeup or with more glam makeup. And so you don't need to do anything additional. These lashes look good with a variety of different makeup looks. And the best part is they truly do last. Now, and before I go, I just want to share a few quick tips and tricks on how I do get them to last so long for me. So basically what it is that you want to use some kind of face wipe when you take off your makeup. So I love to use something like these wipes right here from Aveeno. These are super gentle on my eyes, and what I do is I will just use it on my face, and then when I do my eye makeup removal, I'll just kind of go around my eyes, clean from the top. And so I don't want to submerge my lashes, these lashes, in water too much, so I kind of just splash my face to remove the makeup. I do use a cleansing brush and I use that to clean my face. So you just want to be a little bit more careful with cleaning your face when you do have these lash extensions to make them last a super long time for you. But they're so comfy. I don't feel like I have anything on my eyes. I wake up and they look perfect, so that's really amazing. You don't need to do any kind of work with them. They stay perfect looking. I don't even know, guys. I've only taken them off in the past just because I want to do maybe a super full lash or something like that. And like me, my shower is very strong, so I will not put my face like in the shower stream of the water coming down, because that will make them come off, things like that. Just being aggressive with them. You know, you don't want to tug on your eyes or rub your eyes too much, because that would also probably make them, you know, come off sooner. But as long as you take care of them, clean them gently, and that's pretty much it. These will last for you. I also do sometimes go over the lashes again with the Lock product or the Bond product. You know, that's another option. It's, you know, every few days just go in with another coat of the Lock product, and I feel like that really does probably make a big difference as well. But these don't come off, and $13.99, you cannot beat the price. So I couldn't wait to come and share with you beauties these amazing at-home lash extensions. You truly will save hundreds of dollars and time, because you can do them at home and you don't have to go out. I know when I go to the lash artist, it would take me so long between making an appointment with her, driving there, you know, it's just, it's hard. But you can do these at home. You can do them whenever, you know, you have time. You don't have to get a sitter. You just do them whenever is a good time for you at home, quickly and easily, and save hundreds of dollars. So that's why I couldn't wait to come and share with you beauties these lashes today. They're absolutely phenomenal. I'll have everything for Lash View linked below. So have you tried these lash extensions already? Let me know your experience down below. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. If you need any additional help, you can always message me on Instagram at Allegra Chetty, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. But let me know if you have any other questions, and definitely go ahead and message me. So thank you beauties so much for coming and spending time with me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I will see you very soon. Bye.